Welcome to WTA's Executive Dialogue Series. I'm Roger Franklin with Crystal Solutions, and I hope you enjoy the following segment that contains great insights into the changing satellite-terrestrial mix in our industry. Be sure to watch to the end, and I'll share a technical brief that'll help you begin to navigate the future of metadata in your content streams.
I think you kind of look at it as a software overlay. We try to connect to the workflows that are already in process and empower those workflows. So imagine just a big library of content that's very powerful. It's almost like the Fort Knox of content that these media players have. They need people to help them. We do it both from a disaster recovery standpoint, connecting to their workflows, and also primary service distribution.
What differentiates us that we are really de-emphasizing the division between the terrestrial services and the satellite services, and we're really in the business of building and putting together one content delivery network that combines both satellite and the terrestrial services and makes it really transparent to the customer whether the services are going over the fiber or over the satellite.
We used to have, well, we still have teleports around the world, but the impact was about 8 or 10 years ago where we decided to have media centers. So some of these teleports in Singapore, in Europe, London, Paris, or in America, Los Angeles, Miami, became more media centers, meaning that we have enhanced our portfolio and create new platforms in these teleports to provide a wide range of services.
We are developing our ground network. We are using it via partners, so there is a lot of work to identify the right partners, to work with them, to integrate the solutions together. It's very important for Eutelsat the service quality, and this is always a key factor to select the right partners and to develop the solutions together.
Really have to implement, when you're thinking of IP and IT services, you really have to implement the foundations of an ITIL type certification into your facility. And that really talks about total quality management of the IT distribution stream. And that goes to both the fiber and the satellite distribution.
When we're using fiber services, what we do, we tend to buy a service. So therefore, although we will, in the first instance, our NOC will monitor the availability of the fiber service, we do rely heavily on first, second, and third tier providers to make sure that the service is giving us the availability that we're paying for.
Equipment is getting smaller, but also power hungry and taking up more space. And there's always a limited amount of power and HVAC available.
For the past, pick a time, for the past 10 years, our industry has been in transformation. We are transitioning from a broadcast type organization to an IT/broadcast organization. Walk around this show. We're constantly seeing IT trends and internet protocol trends in how we do our business. And what we're trying to do is make sure that we build the better mousetrap, that we're taking as many hands out of the process as we can, use the rich tools of automation and rich content delivery so that we really get to a point where we can encode once and publish to many. We're not quite there yet, but we see the trends that's enabling that.
Crystal Solutions is proud to have brought you this WTA Executive Dialogue Series. I'd like to thank the participating executives and you for your time. Go to the link on the screen to download your technical brief that'll help you navigate the emerging future of robust metadata integration to further monetize your content streams. Please drop me an email and let me know your thoughts on this segment. And thanks again for watching.